Hello, this is Annie from EVANGEL company. Today we are going to Shanghai Port. Hello everyone, now we are at Shanghai Port. This is the Rotary engineering rig we are taking today. The Rotary engineering rig has been disassembled, and the customer will assemble it after receiving. This is the model number SR155. This is the smallest model of SANY Rotary engineering rig. This one is the joining rod. The joining depth is 25 to 44 meters, and these two are the joining beams. SANY Rotary engineering rig is very famous and have very good reputation. If you need it, please contact me.